When mission-critical performance is a requirement, a partner with mission-critical experience is essential. An end-to-end solutions provider that can anticipate and meet needs, solve problems, and with more than 130 years of experience, anticipate future challenges. Carpenter Technology is that partner. Our comprehensive understanding of emerging technologies and specialty alloys, precision manufacturing, and industry-leading capabilities is why we're a market leader. Whether in aerospace, defense, transportation, medical, energy, consumer, or industrial, Carpenter Technology's global team of world-class application engineers, metallurgists, and technicians is our key to your success. Our facilities are designed for safety, efficiency, and reliability. Our material and product traceability and quality before, during, and after production are unparalleled in the industry. Work with us at Carpenter Technology and see why we drive today's performance and tomorrow's breakthroughs.